Hi guys, good afternoon. So we are already approaching to Lake Duminagat. Once we cross this mountain, we'll arrive to our destination. So see you there.
What's up guys? Good afternoon, and actually it's my sixth time coming here at Lake Duminagat, and we are now on our way going there. And as you can see, the fog is now flying down. It's coming out like a snowflake, and whew, it's very tired. I've got no air already. Tired already? Why? Oh, here's the fog. Here comes the fog. Flying over the mountains. It's so nice, guys. And in person, it's very amazing because you can actually witness how wonderful the world is. And witnessing such land formations like this, I think there are a lot of biodiversity in here. And that's something that we could actually preserve and appreciate because it's nature's gift and nature's best.
So we just increase the pace of our travel because as you can see, the weather is not that good. So we're trying to reach the Lake Malindang as soon as possible before it rains. So yeah.
So finally, the most awaited part of this adventure, we are here in our destination after 2 hours of hiking. So I'll show you, just sit back. Unbelievable sight. Guys, we are actually...
Muana mo, ay kanikuan mo ka sir si Muana mo ka.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
I can show you a world shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide?
Ligo ta boy.
I can open your eyes,
Ligo ta ba?
take you wonder by
Wonder.
over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet ride, a whole new world, a new fantastic point of view.
Ingay ko.
No one to tell us no,
Sir.
or where to go, or say we're only dreaming. A whole new world, a new fantastic